Ever wondered how Fortnite pros build so fast? It's a crucial skill that separates the best from the rest. In the heart-pumping world of Fortnite, speed in building is your lifeline. It's your shield when bullets rain and your stairway to high ground advantage. But remember, mastering this skill is a game of patience and relentless practice. It's not about being perfect from the get-go, it's about getting better every time you play. Now let's dive into the steps that will transform you into a speedy builder. The first step towards faster building starts from your settings. You see, Fortnite offers a variety of settings that can significantly enhance your building speed. Take Builder Pro, for example. This layout allows you to assign each building piece to a specific button, making it quicker to switch between pieces and construct your masterpiece. Then there's Turbo Building, a setting that's nothing less than a game changer. With this turned on, you can hold down the build button and continuously place pieces, making it a breeze to create complex structures in no time. Lastly, don't overlook Edit on Release. By enabling this, you can make edits by simply releasing the selected button instead of having to confirm the action. It's a subtle change that can make a world of difference to your building speed. Once the right settings are in place, the next step is to understand the building mechanics. Understanding Fortnite's building mechanics can significantly improve your speed. This isn't just about slapping walls and ramps together, it's about knowing the purpose of each structure and using them strategically. Let's start with the basics, the 4 pillars of Fortnite construction: walls, floors, ramps, and roofs. Walls act as your primary defense, blocking enemy fire and creating barriers. Floors, on the other hand, provide a platform to move or build upon, especially when you're high above the ground. Then we have ramps, your primary tool for gaining height and pursuing or escaping enemies. Lastly, roofs or cones can be used for additional protection or to outplay your opponents from above. In different combat scenarios, these structures have unique applications. For example, a ramp can help you gain the high ground in open field battles, while a well-placed wall can save you from an incoming sniper shot in the nick of time. Now let's talk about quick editing and efficient material usage. Editing structures quickly allows you to create openings for attack or escape, giving you an edge in battle. Efficient material usage, meanwhile, ensures that you won't run out of building resources at critical moments. Remember, it's not about who uses the most materials, but who uses them best. With a solid understanding of the building mechanics, the final step is to practice. Practice makes perfect. This saying couldn't be more true for Fortnite's building. Now let's dive into the heart of mastering building speed. Practice, practice, practice. The best place to sharpen your building skills is in Fortnite's creative mode. Here, you can experiment and refine your techniques without the pressure of opponents. Think of creative mode as your personal training ground, the place where you can break down and rebuild your building strategy piece by piece. There are several drills you can focus on to boost your speed. First up, we have the 90s, a classic building technique that can quickly get you to high ground. Then there's ramp rushing, a pivotal skill for offensive play. And let's not forget a tunneling, an essential tactic for avoiding enemy fire while maintaining forward momentum. Each of these drills targets specific aspects of your building game. The 90s for vertical ascension, ramp rushes for advancing on opponents, and tunneling for protection and movement. Don't just practice them separately though. Combine these techniques in your drills to create a fluid, seamless building rhythm. Commit to practicing daily. Even a few minutes of focused practice can make a significant difference over time. And as you practice, remember, speed is important, but it's not everything. Strive for accuracy in placing your structures and efficiency in your movements. Remember, the key to faster building isn't just speed, but also accuracy and efficiency. Speedy building in Fortnite is a skill that requires time and dedication. Remember, speed is crucial in this game, and having the right settings can make all the difference. Learning the building mechanics is your foundation, and practice makes perfect. So keep honing your skills, understand your controls, and relentlessly practice your building. The road to becoming a Fortnite master isn't easy, but it's definitely worth it. Subscribe and like this video if you want to win 1 million V-Bucks. Keep practicing and you'll soon see your building speed skyrocket.